let us know about vector. Vector has got magnitude as well as direction. I add another thing, that it should obey the law of parallelogram, and when a vector is there, it will have sense. What is the sense of a vector? The sense of a force or vector. Sense of a force or vector is determined by the direction of arrow, whether it is towards the point or it is away from the point. Now, the sense of AB vector is from A to B, A vector to B vector, and this is from A point to B point. That of BA vector is from B to A, so that the sense of a directed line is from its initial point to the terminal point. Okay, now I have given the example. The sense of this force, for example, the vector is away from point P. Okay, the sense is away from the point P, and this sense is towards the point P. Okay, sense is towards the point P. Now, I am telling you the only magnitude and direction, magnitude as well as direction will not denote a vector, but it should obey the law of parallelogram. This is important. I will give you an example. Before that, we start. This is a support. Support is that the line of unlimited length of which a directed segment is a part is called its line of support, or simply the support. Now this is a support, this is a infinity long, okay, and there are 2 points A and B. Now this vector AB is on that support, A to B, and BA is in that. So BA or AB is on this line. So this is actually support. Okay. 1 minute. Okay.